Hello, traders. Today is Tuesday, May 5th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So the Euro Yen is really struggling to go below this 61% Fibonacci retracement. And because of my JPY basket analysis, the JPY basket never did break structure. And this really never did break structure either. Really, structure's way down here, or structure potentially could be right here also. But either way, it never really did break structure. I mean, technically, based on market flow, we should be looking for shorts, but I still think there's a good chance that this move down may not hold, and I still think there's a good chance it could go up. I mean, every time the Bank of Japan intervenes like this, it just goes back up, and then it goes down when they intervene, and then it goes back up eventually. So I'm not really convinced because we don't have a break of structure on the JPY basket or this pair that it's actually going to keep going down. But going down to the 1 hour time frame, technically we should be looking for shorts because the momentum is down on the daily until we get this break of structure. Price has not broken this structure right here, which means that the shorts are the trades that I would be looking for right now. I would definitely be looking to go short. Now, if it goes up and breaks this structure, then I'm going to become very, very, very bullish on every single pullback from the point it breaks on. But we cannot assume that it's going to break structure. As soon as you start assuming things, the market's going to slap you in the face and take all your money away. So technically, we are looking for shorts until we break this structure. If and when we break that structure, we will become very, very, very bullish. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.